Here are 4 inexpensive ways to enhance your curb appeal to sell your home faster and at top dollar. Curb appeal is one of the most important features when selling your home. The aesthetic look of the outside of your home can tell the buyer what to expect to find on the other side of the front door. First impressions really matter, so you want to make it count so it creates an invitation into your home. To enhance your home's curb appeal, start by taking a step back. Walk across the street and take a look and assess the visual attractiveness of the home as a whole picture as seen from the street. An inexpensive way to boost your curb's appeal is to power wash your sidings and walkways to remove any grime. And you may want to consider putting a new seal coat on your driveway. Another focal point is your front door. Buyers will spend time at your front door while their agent is unlocking the door and when they gather after their showing to talk about the home. A fresh coat of paint on your front door goes a long way. Choose a color that complements your home, like this one behind me, and treat yourself to a new doormat while you're at it. To add a splash of color, plant some seasonal flowers. Pansies in the spring, mums in the fall will make your flower beds and landscaping pop. Also, edge and mulch your flower beds. Create a balance between privacy and visibility with your plant choices. Deferred maintenance or no landscaping could turn buyers away. Have all the windows cleaned, remove all screens so the windows sparkle, and let all the light shine through. I can't stress it enough. Today's drive-by buyers place a lot of emphasis on curb appeal. Do you want to encourage showings so you can sell your home faster and get more money out of your home than you could have ever dreamed? For more tips on how to sell your home faster and for top dollar, click below for our free copy of our 2021 Selling Guide and subscribe to our newsletter in the comments below for more how-to real estate videos and content.